Hi guys, do you ever have those sellers that want to know where you are located? I know I'm not the only one. As an investor, as a wholesaler, if you do not already have your LLC set up or you do not have your business form, I am here to show you how to get a virtual business address for your business. Okay, but you can actually get mail sent to your virtual business address and you can forward it to your home address. So if you have contracts and you are worried about your contracts getting sent back to you, are they going to be signed? Where are they going to go? They're going to go to your virtual business address, but you can have that mail forwarded back to you to your home address, or you can just go pick up your mail at your virtual address because this is a real life street address. This is a real location, okay? You're just using it for your business. This also will help your business credibility by getting your business address set up. When you do begin to start to form your business credit, that is going to help you get funded. Right now I am on the Google page. I'm just going to delete this and I'm going to type in Regis. So Regis is the first website that I want to show you guys. So this is one way you can go about getting your virtual business address set up. As you see, we're looking at the home page of Regis and it says your office space, your co-working space, your virtual office, and it has your meeting room. So we're just going to type in a location because that's what it wants us to type in. So I'm type in Charlotte, North Carolina, go to search. You are looking at the office space, not the virtual business address. They do have real life office spaces too. So if you don't just want a virtual business address and you want to go and sit in your own office, they do have offices for you. As you see the prices right here, they get a little pricey. $269 per month to have your own office. Pretty dope. And they have different locations for you to choose from as well. Spaces is another one. As you see, Spaces right here. Currently we're on Regis. So if you want to go back out, it's going to show you and give you a quick overview of the co-working area. So say if you are meeting with a seller and you don't know where to meet up at, or you want to meet somewhere public, you just don't know where to go, you can type in Regis and you can go visit a co-working area, which means that they have different offices and different tables set up to where anybody can go and they can sit down. So you just click on a location. I'm just going to click on that one. They have co-working spaces, so everybody comes together, they sit and they crowd around in like a meeting room type of area, and they sit down and they get work done. So if you ever want a place to go to meet, to get contracts signed, you find you a co-working area space and you go there, you meet there. It looks very professional. It makes your brand look very professional, like you know what you're doing. You're not just meeting in a parking lot or just at a restaurant or somewhere. You actually have somewhere you can take them that looks very nice and it's gonna make you look like you about your business. You can take them to the co-working space where your virtual office is at. Also, they should have co-working spaces. As you see, there's different type of offices, but they all have co-working spaces, which I feel like is very, very cool. Okay, so as far as your virtual office goes, they do have virtual offices as well, and you can see the price. You see the price difference. So to have a virtual office, it's going to cost you, look, $49 per month, $119. Regis is a little pricey, but we're just going to click on 525 North Tryon Street just to see what type of stuff that they offer. So right here it goes into more detail about the type of offices they have: office space, co-working, virtual offices, meeting rooms. If you want to scroll down, this tells you what it includes. So your virtual office, build an instance presence wherever you need to be at prime business locations. Thousands of locations, global business lounges, phone answering available. So if you want to say buy now, it goes into more details about what you're actually buying. If you just need a business address, it ranges from $49 per month. It has mail handling, professional business address. So this is what you would be paying for if you was just to get your business address. You would just be paying $49 a month. If you want to upgrade that to a virtual office, all of your business address, your live reception services, workspace access, then that will be $155 per month. Your virtual office plus $229 per month. So it kind of shows you, but you see what you are paying for, you see what area you're going to be in. I mean, it is definitely worth the investment, guys. The second website I want to tell you about is called iPostal. iPostal 1. iPostal 1 is similar to Regis, except the prices is very different. Like, you will see a price difference when you are on iPostal, and I recommend iPostal more than Regis just because of the price difference, and you're kind of getting the same exact thing. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to plans, virtual mailing address. Now, you saw the prices of Regis. Let's take a look at the prices of iPostal. So your virtual mailing address, it says you get a real street address worldwide with mailing address plan from $9.99 a month or $99 a year. That's pretty darn good. Okay, so they also have locations for you to choose from as well. You can type in your state, your city, and you can also pick from the different locations just like Regis as well. So you can choose one. You can also get a virtual business address with them as well as a virtual office, which ranges from $39.99. That sounds darn good to me. So you see the price difference here. But having a virtual business address is very, very important, especially when people want to know where you're located. You do not want to give out your home address. You don't want to tell them your personal information. You do not want to let everybody know where you live. You want to have you a business address, whether that's a virtual office, a virtual business, just mailing address. You want to have something to where it looks professional, okay? And it is professional because this is something that you're paying for. This is actually a part of your business. Even though you're not physically at this location, this is your business address, okay? And you can put it on all things business related. So if you all have any more questions as far as your business address and how to get it set up, just please watch this video throughout and contact them if you have any more detailed questions. Another thing I want to throw in, they do offer virtual tours. Like, you can tour these buildings just to see if the office space is right for you or the co-working space is right for you, how they handle their receptionist services. You can actually go to these places, you can ask them questions. All you have to do is type in your address or type in the location that you want your office to be located in and go pay them a visit. If this video provided value, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.